Hi, today in front of me HONOR X6a and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So open first the control panel and here tap to the edit icon. To add some options to your panel, you should hold the icon and drag it to the subsection. But unfortunately now we have no just here the free space to do that, so we should first remove the option from the panel just by hold the icon and drag it, and to add the new one we should just hold the icon and drag it to the subsection. If you want to just change the positions of the icons here on the panel, that's also not a problem. You should just hold and drag it. To reset the changes, tap to reset, or to save the changes, click to done, and that's it. So thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs ups and subscribe our channel.